Good morning. Welcome back to Nacho Stuff. Look what we're starting off, guys. We got ourselves a hot water heater. Yaha. Starting off with some weight. How heavy are you? A little bit light on the sediment on this one. We're gonna roll this all the way up to the front and save our space, because today is gonna be crazy. So stay tuned, because I'm feeling it, man. Why do I say that? Well, I had a horrible night's sleep last night. You're in one of those nights where you can't fall asleep for the life of you. You're exhausted, I wasn't necessarily exhausted, but I certainly could have slept. But my brain would not sleep. So I didn't get very much sleep last night. Stupid brain. But we're gonna make the most of it today. We're gonna get after it. Hopefully stuffer. So hang in there. Let's see if we can find our day. Onward. Oh gosh, I didn't even see these chairs. I'm not sure, but I was gonna leave a whole bunch of scrap behind. I wanted to see that tub. That tub. Those are light. Those might be aluminum. No, it is gonna be fiberglass. This tub was cut up. I couldn't tell whether it was a steel tub or not. But we got some chairs. I didn't even see the chairs. Onward. I know, I don't normally come in for chairs, but I don't know what's going on. Wow, you're a heavy guy. Still early yet, but I don't know what happened in that last neighborhood, but it was empty. Oh, just some duckers. You guys want to see some ducks this morning? Let's go check them out. We'll do some Nacho nature real quick. What's up, guys? How you doing today? You guys having a good Tuesday, Wednesday, hump day? Have a good one, guys. Nacho nature. Got a box of some sort here. Ooh, it was a safe, I think. Oh, it was. How heavy are you? Oosh. Fairly heavy. We'll take a safe. Onward. All right. This neighborhood's picking up. This one's way better than the last one. Look at that old TV set. Anybody want to guess a year? Oh, put your guesses in. If you flip Mr. Safe up that way. I'm going with 2008. Where are you at, bro? 05. Wow. Oh gosh. So heavy I can't even pick it up. If it was a 9, I could have picked it up with one hand, baby. Wow, that's a TV. Whee! Onward. Oh, we got $1.25 here. It's a pretty nice looking, oh, dirty bird. I think it's Mikey was here earlier, huh? Ah, somebody done got my battery, guys. Look, there's someone got a bunch of glass too. Onward. Just a juicer. I think it's a juicer. Are you a juicer? What are you, bro? You are definitely a juicer. Hi-yah! 2 for wet for something bad. This dirty bird. Oh, how do we know that was gonna happen? Stay over yonder. Dirty birds. Now it's a, what do we got here? It's an 8 for. Let's go right here. Oh yeah. This is the real reason we stopped, folks. Why? Because we're fans of fans. They look brand new. Maybe they just put the directions on now. Got ourselves a pair of fans. So please take a moment and mash, smash, hit, boop, click. Do whatever you do to your like button, because that's what we do when we find a fan. This TV's going back up. I don't know why you're all the way back here. Trying to keep room today, guys. Oh my gosh, you're so heavy. Whew. Okay, just hold that wall there, I guess. No throwing that TV. All right, let's roll. Bicycle, bicycle, I want to find a bicycle. Ush. I want to find 2 bikes. Onward! Got ourselves a chair. Be aluminum. She's got the right kind of scratches on her. Ugh, I'm gonna say no. Had the white scratches, but did not feel right. Felt too heavy. Big old umbrella. She's definitely gonna be aluminum. Oh, this is one of those good ones. This is one of the good ones. Could actually be broken down to extruded, but we'll probably turn it in as heavy, just because it's got so many screws associated with it. A lot of people ask why I turned it in as heavy. Once you take that cloth off, you lose all the cloth weight, which is a significant amount of weight, so you have to kind of play the game. I know I can take the top off and I can take the cloth off and I can get light or not even, I can't get clean on that because it's got steel screws in it. But the difference I lose in the weight of the cloth versus the price bump in light, it's just easier to turn in as heavy. I'm rolling the dice. I might be right, I might be wrong, but that's the way I do it. Onward. Not all bikes, it's bike parts. It's like we got a whole gaggle of stuff again. This is a dog divider fence. These are wheels. Oh, I'm glad I moved. Oh God, he's not even coming down here. I was like, I almost parked out there, but I was like, no, I'm gonna gum up the street. That guy didn't come down here though. Air fryer with 2 air fryers. They like their fried food. This is a good little spot. The question is, oh, there's one of the, maybe not. Doesn't match the wheel, it's the wrong color. Do we go to the yard, or do we keep hunting? Stay up there, right there. What rolled? There it is, the helmet. I heard something fall. I don't need you. You can stay. Mr. Gorilla Board, you can come. Oh, you can go up on that table. Sweet. Let's roll. Promising for a possible stop before we go out to our next hunting grounds. We still have some neighborhoods in here, but we're getting there slowly but surely. Right, Shirley? Oh, that's nasty. Hopefully that's outside dirt, not inside dirt. Morning. This guy's been flying around the neighborhood. I keep passing him. Just out on a Wednesday stroll. Man, I can't wait till I have that lifestyle. Just take a nice slow bike ride in the morning. Someday. Onward. What's in the bag? Is it a bowling bag? I think it is. Balls? No. No bowling balls, but it's a bowling bag. It's a nice shape. The Storm. I don't know. I don't know if that's a team or a brand, but I'll bet it's worth something. Let's look her up. Put the comp right here if I find one. Onward. We've got a pretty nice dryer here. Ooh, I might have to call my guy. I know he's not taking machines, but it's a Maytag, and it looks like it's in pretty decent shape. Might get scrapped, might not, I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how the morning goes and what he says. It's got pieces and parts inside of it, that's not great. Oh, they've got it partly taken apart, I can feel it. It's might be missing some components. Might be why it's out here. I don't know. We'll have to make a executive decision here shortly. Come on with that. Thank you. There we go. Oh yeah! Onward! Think she's in the boxes, can I? Nope. That's too much wood. We can take this guy though. It's not much, but I was hoping that printer was gonna be in there. Oh, look at that. We'll take some brass lights though. Yes. We'll take some brass lights. That's good. That's good. That's well worth stopping for. One more twist. There we go. We're going to the yard before we go to our next neighborhood, because I don't want to go this full. This should just about top us off, I think. Oh, that's a bacon press. Might keep that. A bacon press? That's like a little holder of some sort. All right. How heavy are you gonna be now? Let's get rid of this before this falls on my head. All right, you think we can get it up and over? I'm gonna try. All right, let's roll. Alrighty guys, we've made it to the yard to unload. This may or may not make the video. We'll just see how the day goes and go from there. There's a dually trailer in there. I talked to Kev this morning. He's already out. Yeah, I think he's out with Jimmy. It sounded like Jimmy was in the truck. He said he would be able to use this, so we're gonna save this and drop this at Jeffy's for him. Because again, I'd rather have it repurposed than thrown away if I can make that happen. Stay. Let's get this before it falls. Put you there. Oh! I didn't check this. Let's check this one. Where's my magnet at? You're aluminum. Come on. What are you stuck on, dude? Oh, the strap. Sheesh. check any of these bikes. Man, I got a spaghetti mess going on in here today. There we go. Nope, you're steel. Don't want to lose those. Oh gosh. Come on, guys. I had 3 bikes. I guess I did have 3 bikes, didn't I? And they're all steel. I remember 2. Yeah. What is that? That's a thermometer. It's possible stainless. It's not. I'm gonna keep my bacon press. I don't even know where that came from. It's still floating around in here. These springs, I think, were on that safe, maybe. Some brake springs. Did not check this guy yet. Oh, she's aluminum, nice. Those 2 chairs I almost missed were aluminum. How crazy is that? He'll do this as heavy. Whew. That's for Karen. Alright guys, we're gonna roll this off, get the brass. We'll catch you guys back out on the street. See you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, we've been to the yard. We got an empty trailer. What? No, we don't. We stopped by a street I don't normally run, and there was a guy in there emptying out. There was one chair out front, and I grabbed the chair because I don't film chairs, you know. And he said, "Oh, I got another chair inside," and he had a dumpster in his driveway. So of course I looked at it while he was getting the chair. There was a stove and all kind of stuff in there. I said, "Hey, do you mind if I scavenge through your dumpster?" ABA, always be asking. And he said, "Sure." So we darn near got a load just out of that dumpster. It took a while, but we got it. So I didn't film that because I thought it was a chair. Ended up being a trailer. So we're gonna grab this grill. We had to go up to the end of the cul-de-sac first. So we'll come back and grab this here in a minute, unless there's something better up there. We'll be back in a second, guys. What was our next stop? I told you there's not been much. Oh, you guys are metal too, aren't you? Oh, that's a little toolkit evidence. Brilliant. It might keep you. We'll just have to see. That guy's not getting capped though. But anywho's, we got a lot of stuff in here, man, for as little as we've run. There's been not much on the street at all. I ran about, I don't know, another 6 neighborhoods. We had 2 stops. All right, let's roll. Just a couple more chairs. But I thought I'd bring you in because we haven't had much action here for this second trip, even though we're pretty full. We'll try her. Onward. Right. Well, twofer here. A dishwasher up there. Some nice shelving here. 2-load Tuesday on Wednesday. Oh, creep. Where are we gonna go with you? Right there looks great. Okay. All right, let's go get our dishwasher. Hoo-yah! Whoa, stainless, stainless, stainless. You guys think so? Maybe. Not looking good with the plastic body. Steel. All right. Ew, there's stinky water in here, I bet. All right, onward. Looky, looky, Americanos. Yes, we're gonna get some singing today. Where are we gonna put it though? Where are we gonna put it? Where are we gonna put the hey Macarena? 1 little, 2 little, 3 a Macarena. 4 little, 5 little, 6 a Macarena. 7 little, 8 little, 9 Macarena. Hey Macarena. Come on, you're coming loose. Stay. Alright, we're gonna put it right there and we're gonna add that strap. See you guys in the next stop. An encore, you say? Sure, we can do that. Man, what a day. All kind of junk's out here. Encore it is. Microwave. Now we got 2 microwaves, 3 microwaves. 4 little, 5 little, 6 microwave, 2 microwaves. Alrighty guys, unload number 2. A lot of this you guys didn't see because a lot of it came out of that dumpster. That dumpster was nice. It's not a true dumpster, I guess, because it was in the guy's driveway, but it counts in my book. Ooh, that almost got my hand. See how fast my cat-like reflexes are? Ran into a guy at the gas station when I was getting lunch, and he has some stuff for me. Are we gonna get this? I love self unloaders. I know I should go further up in there, but I'm just gonna do this for now. You might get in it before we leave. I don't have my good clippers, is the problem. Still don't have everything back in the car yet. Okay, you guys are still breaking down bits. You stay there. Got stuff all monkeyed up in here. Don't need that. Your aluminum. Look at all the refrigerators and dishwashers somebody dropped off. Probably from an apartment complex is my guess. Not a motor taken off of them. We're getting the motors off mine, I can tell you that much. Even though you're not stainless. Go down there. Yeah, I guess we'll chase the car off this, why not? Remember the good old days when these ballasts counted as electric motors? Oh, the good old days. Hoping they just rip off. Okie dokie. See, Cav, he's breaking the rules. Breaking the rules. You're supposed to come in from the left. You're supposed to pull stuff in from the left, Cav. Watch this. Watch this. Yeah, don't hiss that pristine truck over there. Ugh. Oh, that was so much easier than driving into the left.
There's a semi after.
Don't block me in. Oh man. By the time you finish milking around, I'll be empty. Let me scoot up, Cav. I'll come back for my microwaves. All right, guys. We're gonna break our stuff down. I'll see you guys over at Jeffrey's. Let's do some NFJ. I can take him out. One run. Uh-oh, there's Jim. Can't run Jeff over with Jim out here. I'll get in trouble. What? I said I could just run right over in one swoop. One big speed bump.
Show me the money.
But Jim's down there, so I might get in trouble.
Show me the money.
He lost his non-Ferris guy. Two whole batteries. What? Oh, you got some monies? Oh, stay in there. Whoa. That wheel spinning made me all screwed up my equilibrium. That wheel spinning screwed me all up.
Electric motors, right?
Electric motors, yeah, there's it done. 3 more brasses. Ready on light? What? Say, huh? What's a frog's favorite drink?
What?
Coca-Cola.
So bad. Hold on.
I can't wait till I'm 37. I'll really be in my prime.
What's Forrest Gump's password?
Run, Forrest, run.
One Forrest Run. Yeah.
One, Forrest, run.
What do you call a song about a tortilla?
Delicious.
It's a rap.
It's a wrap. Want to hear a joke about a cookie?
No.
Nah, it's too crummy.
Was it fortune?
Oh, it could be worth a fortune too. Ah, I like that one.
Hold on. Hey, I made that note already for you for tomorrow. We got a rat call.
What?
We got a rat call.
Yeah, you got one?
Yeah. Can you explain to me what a solar eclipse is?
Solar eclipse.
No sun.
No sun. Alrighty guys, we're weighed and paid. Sorry for the static stream, but I had to get my picking the kids up past to grandma. I forgot to leave it to 4 this morning. She was going to pick up the children's to allow me a little more times, and I gummed it up and had to meet it with her anyways. But enough of that. Let's get in today. What a day, what a day. Double hump day. So let's get into the receipt here. 10, first load, 980 pounds. 7 cents a pound for $68.60. We had those coach lights, brass, 5 pounds unclean, $1.10 a pound for $5.50. Electric motor, I'm guessing that's probably off a dishwasher because it's just 7 pounds. 26 cents a pound for $1.82. Irony light and irony heavy, I forget what we turned in. Irony heavy was definitely that big umbrella, but I forget what the other things are. Irony light was 20 pounds, 33 cents a pound for $6.60. Heavy was 80 pounds, 25 cents a pound for 20 bucks. Then we ran back out again to see if we could find some more stuff. We found that dumpster. The dumpster's where probably 75% of where this came from. 10, 11.60. So we're over a ton for the day. 7 cents a pound for $81.20. We had a half battery tucked away in our little cans in the back. Electric motors were off of the transformers for the microwaves. And the dishwasher, 22 pounds, 26 cents a pound for $5.72. We had 3 more pounds of unclean brass, which was faucets for $1.10 a pound, $3.30. And then irony light, just 6 more pounds, 33 cents a pound for $1.98, for a grand total today of $197.47. By the way, we do have the box in the car. We had it yesterday. We totally forgot. Thank you for those of you that reminded me. We're trying to be better about that. So tomorrow or yesterday, we're going to put in $5. So I'm going to have to mark my box off for that. And today we'll put a big fat 20 in there because we had a good day. So hope you guys enjoyed the run. It was a lot of work today, but I don't mind working hard as long as there's a payday at the end of it. So we're pretty stoked about that. So smash that thumbs up on the way out. I appreciate you guys spending a little of your day with me. And hopefully you'll come back and visit me again tomorrow because we'll get back after it. Tomorrow we're out in Kevin land. So it's Nacho Stuff. That means you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until tomorrow, be safe, be happy. See you guys then.